Making Temu stop texting you is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can make, Temu to stop texting you. So you get some sort of, annoying notifications and you want to fix it or you want to, close it or remove it. So how can you do that? So in order to do that, you simply have to go to the Temu's website or you can, go to the app as well. Then you have to, tap on your, account options. And in the account options, you just have to, it will open up the account settings, obviously. Here you have to scroll down and tap on notifications. In the notifications, as you can see, these are all the notifications. So how can you close that? So for that, suppose I want, remove this chat messages. I'm going to click on this edit and I will easily be able to turn it off. So I still get this on email, but I will turn it off on the email as well. So if I go to, order updates, I will be able to turn it off as well. And if I go to promotions, I will be able to, set it to none. You just have to, turn off all of it one by one. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.